Welcome everyone to my new presentation on Atom cryptocurrency for another great moment out of this 2023. Couple of days left of this year. For those of you that are enjoying, happy holidays, Merry Christmas as well. Make sure to be thankful for everything we have been receiving on this 2023 so far. Considering the space of crypto, I can tell you that it actually delivered in the last couple of months, and as you can see, things are looking even better for future. Atom crypto is still having a good time. I'd like to share with you a very important price representation and price prediction on the topic. $232 million for the last 24 hours. Let's get into it. Before we jump on the markets, make sure to follow me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit the like button under the video. We also have many other price predictions on the daily as well for 2024, including live trading and trades that I actually performed. There's videos about it, including YouTube shorts as well in the short sector, where you will be able to see trades that I did recently. $134,000 on Solana. It's still live and it's running fine. By the way, if you'd like to join my trades, you can definitely do so. No prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved. So it's based on performance. The commission is paid by you every 7 days, and this is the option number one. I'll talk about it later on as well, just about a coaching program for anyone out there that is believing this particular industry is offering financial freedom possibilities that you would like to achieve. Then get your weapons ready for the bull market and achieve your goals, guys. Education is very important. What's happening with Atom, Cosmos? Well, nothing bad at all, I would say. Nothing that actually lacks confidence or portrays any form of a bearish puzzle. Certainly, we have a very, very good spot here at the time we are sort of away filming this, which is why I would like to zoom into a little more, but make sure you're not going to forget about this order block, which is sitting at 1.272 top, and that is the extension green line located on a 20 bucks. Therefore, I'd like to zoom in a little more on the charts and have the ability for us to consider the markets a little more clear. Now, we are retesting the line we broke out. This is a retest which is so far acting successfully, especially with today's candlesticks, which is in trying to engulf the previous structure. The situation in this case scenario is great, as you have the 20 days moving average holding you. And if you successfully transform previous resistance into your upcoming support, a resistance that is of an environment, 471 days, a line that is going to trigger an effect of at least breaking above a golden pocket, which is significant because it sits at the top of the structure. Once you get off this golden pocket, we will only going to speak around levels in between $15 and the top of the structure, which is at 17, right? So at $15, you're going to have resistance, and at 17, the $15 resistance is going to be located based on the previous two double top structure, which triggered a prolonged movement downwards. So it was a very, very significant price action for Atom at that time, which is also continued in the current structure, which is basically unchanged at the moment. The very, very good sign is that we just crossed the 100 days moving average with the 200 days. So we have been successfully performing this action. That is a great sign out there that Atom is going to gain volume on the buying pressure, and things are going to look even better. Now, speaking about the current price action from the lows, it is just 81% increase for this crypto. So honestly speaking, it has so much room to get to the $15 by breaking above the golden pocket located on 13 within the upcoming days and weeks, that we're actually portraying such numbers for a timing of whether in the last couple of days of the year, or are you actually going to achieve that in January. You also have to pay high attention to what's happening with BTC, as Atom needs to react in the next period, which is like, couple of days or the first week right there. It needs to do the movement and break the top of $12, as well continue through 13 and retest that. It's not possible to have Bitcoin going to the 50s and 48s and have Atom not breaking out of the golden pocket, right? So we must move before BTC moves, guys. This is very important. And one thing that I'd like to underline is that Bitcoin is obviously going to have its own movement, which will be completely separated from the way altcoins are portraying. There's all sorts of ETF discussion expected by the beginning of 2024 in January in the first couple of days. So if the year starts with an ETF approval, the market is going wild in January 2024, which is why we can set expectancies from here for certain altcoins that can easily outperform 100% mark in the next couple of weeks. So ATOM should qualify for that one as well, should easily have a roadmap up to the $15-17 in this area which I'm encircling. That's where it should basically get quite quickly. At the same time, we must consider that as soon as you have your 50 days coming through the breakout of the environment channel line, an environment trending line, sorry, which the 50 days is the orange line, which is sitting right there. I mean, it still needs a couple of days. In January, if everything goes fine and the market is still uptrending, we're going to break out of the environment line with the 50 days. 20 days moving average is just breaking out today, as you can see the red line out there, but the orange one is not yet. So the ability for us to take advantage of the volume appearing once such bullish patterns are printed or something substantial, and we can see the charts right prior to that. When you're going to open up the charts in the next couple of days, especially by early 2024, you will be able to see how ATOM has been able to perform from these levels, which are very, very bullish, guys. Now, that's it on the topic. Make sure to subscribe, follow me, reach out for many other questions, and let me know your thoughts in the comments area as well. We have trading videos on board on shorts. We have the other YouTube videos as well with price predictions. And again, the ability for those of you that are interested, option number 1 to participate in my trades is without any upfront fees. It's just pure commission from the profits accumulated. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. We are trading through API trading permission. So you give us trading permission for execution. We only execute, and that's it. It's straightforward, simple outsource, and you can find out more on the topic from the page, including the ability for you guys to get yourself ready. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, simply said, to be able to take advantage in a positive way of the bullish market scenario and context. Something that I'd like to underline, there's a lot of the people losing money during the bull markets. If you've been around in the past bull market, if you've been around in the past 2 bull markets, you definitely know about that there's big chances out there that you're not going to end up profitable in a bull market, or let alone that there is a minority of people that are achieving financial freedom after a bull market, which is something they should. So considering all these things, we are looking forward approaching a much better phase of the market and considering those details as effectful. Now, make sure to register now. This is a one-on-one coaching with me directly, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. You can find out more on the page on how does it work. You can check the video out for a detailed explanation. It's a comprehensive program, guys. Register now for more details and qualify for a free conversation with me. Have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon.